I think a critical component of Texas Immersive Institute is preparing students for jobs that don't exist yet, and having partners like VIVERSE really gets them to play with the tools of the future. Hi, I'm Erin Riley, and I'm a professor of practice at Moody College of Communication and the founding director of Texas Immersive Institute, which is often referred to as TXI. Our focus is on bridging audience, storytelling, and emerging technology to create immersive experiences that are responsive, responsible, and remarkable.
Hello, I'm Michael. I'm the Developer Community Manager for HTC ViveVerse, and over the last 3 months we've been collaborating with Texas Immersive Institute to bring ViveVerse into their experimental storytelling class. Over the course of the semester, they formed teams, came up with their original concepts, and built out experimental demos of their games. Our platform, our tools have only been around for about 6 months, and already seeing this level of content coming from students who are just learning the tools is really inspiring.
My game that I made was called Ruby Raiders.
We created Dreamcatcher.
The Stage of Shadows.
Echoes of the Crown.
Your Hollow Descent.
I created Tony's Tacos. This was the first game that I created using ViveRse and PlayCanvas.
Making a game is so creative.
Honestly, the experience is really enriching.
It was really interesting teaching myself how to use game engines like the one we did with PlayCanvas.
Coding a full game in JavaScript was different, but I also thought that was really enriching, and that's a skill I'm definitely going to use.
I feel like with time, I really see myself just going further and further into XR.
I would love to do like set building and set design, and I think that using VR, XR, it could be great for prototyping.
I think it would be really fun being a part of a team like this in terms of like creativity and storytelling in the future.
I'm really passionate about art, and I want to find ways in which I can make it more immersive for like the larger set of audience.
Having technology to bring people closer together, I think that allow people to share experiences a lot easier, which is something I really want to do.
That is the biggest advantage of ViveVerse, in my opinion, is the freedom to tell a story. My full name is Rohitash Rao. My title is Assistant Professor of Practice. My main focus has been from day one on everything, especially this project, has been experience. How do I feel, and how do I want someone else to feel? It's not just about games. It's not just about building immersive interaction. It's about stories.
Texas Immersive Institute sits at this really exciting intersection of both arts and commercial application. At ViveVerse, we see a lot of opportunities partnering with folks like Texas Immersive Institute to build the knowledge base around the next generation of storytellers.